the heart of Kyushu stands one of Japan's most formidable and beloved castles, Kumamoto Castle, a masterpiece of samurai engineering and a symbol of resilience. Its story begins in the late 16th century, when warlord Katō Kiyomasa, one of the most skilled castle builders of his era, began constructing a massive stronghold that would dominate the region. Construction started in 1601 and lasted 7 years, creating a fortress that blended elegance with extraordinary defensive power. Kiyomasa designed Kumamoto Castle with a level of detail that set it apart. The complex featured numerous baileys, turrets, and curved stone walls known as musha-gaeshi. Walls so steep they made climbing extremely difficult for attackers. The castle grounds included moats, gates, traps, and layers of defenses that earned it a fearsome reputation. The main keep, completed around 1607, rose with black wooden siding and stone bases, giving the castle its iconic appearance. Surrounding it were more than 40 turrets, sprawling halls, and magistrates' residences, a full political and military center for the region. Kumamoto Castle faced one of its most defining moments in 1877, during the Satsuma Rebellion, when samurai loyal to Saigo Takamori laid siege to the fortress. Despite fierce battles, the castle held strong for weeks, proving the effectiveness of Kiyomasa's design. Much of the interior was eventually destroyed by fire, yet its defenses never fully collapsed. In the 20th century, major restoration efforts brought the keep and surrounding structures back to their historic appearance. But in 2016, two powerful earthquakes struck Kumamoto, severely damaging walls, towers, and key buildings. Many feared the castle could never recover. Reconstruction began almost immediately, driven by nationwide support. The main keep was restored by 2019, and ongoing work continues to rebuild the surrounding complex stone by stone. Today, Kumamoto Castle stands not only as a relic of samurai ingenuity, but also as a testament to the spirit and determination of the people of Kumamoto. From Kiyomasa's era to modern Japan, this castle remains a symbol of endurance, a fortress shaped by warriors, protected by communities, and admired around the world.